or something.
We're live. It's November 12th. Going for a little ride. Quaddingsous and the Q Crew, Taco ATV, and Town Rock Trail Riders. Let's get it on, boys. Okay, let's roll. Dave, how come your tires are so dirty?
Because you come through the puddle.
I am.
Okay. Rock and roll?
Let's do this.
It's a great day for ATV riding.
Yeah, this is going to be awesome. No dust today.
No dust, no dust. Look at that, one side of mine.
These aren't winter goggles. Just a single pane, you know, single pane goggles. Goggles Paisano. Leading the race. We're out just northwest of Prince Albert, Saskatchewan, Canada. We are stopping to look at what?
Like a little bit of a drop down there.
Yeah, no kidding, eh?
Yeah, you wouldn't want to hit the ditch here.
Oh, what could possibly go wrong?
I don't know if we got that much wind cable.
Oh, look at the drop off down there. There's the river. The Shell, I think that's the Shell River, isn't it?
I think it might be, I don't know.
Very nice. Very nice. Wheelie. Oh, this is beautiful. I like it a lot. I think we should be able to drive down this river. Yeah.
That is cool. I like that.
Lots of critter tracks down there. Look at how it just eroded away at this hillside, eh?
Fun little rally drive down there.
Yeah.
That's frozen over.
I think I'd want a sled though. They skim across the open water better. Who's going to be the first one on the ice?
Then Taco, he's the heaviest.
Why do I smell antifreeze?
Yours or mine?
Mine, I'm leaking it somewhere.
Uh-oh.
Well,
Can't end time again. Yeah.
You can smell it, can't you?
Yeah.
But
It's still.
it hasn't gone down any though.
Is it overheating?
Nope.
What are we checking?
Well, you can smell antifreeze.
Oh, you can smell antifreeze, Frankie. It's a can of antifreeze. Supposed to smell antifreeze.
Yeah.
There's a hose right up in here for your overflow. It's clipped onto the side of that tank.
That's this one here. Yeah.
So why is it leaking?
It's the turbocharger was leaking.
Oh, the turbo.
Put your winter fluid in your turbocharger? I put my winter fluid in.
Well, that's the problem. Put nitro inside this stuff in.
Just send it.
Just send it, Dave.
If the heat light comes on, just put a piece of tape across it. You won't see it.
Looks like there was an old building or something over there. Maybe a hunting stand or something, eh? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm trying to see where you're looking. Hanging off the edge over there? Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, the old blue block. Yeah, right. Where's he going for a shit? The one that's on the side of the hill? I saw it from over there. Yeah.
Oh shit!
Oh, we
Just-
thought maybe it was the boat with off from the river.
God damn it! I just knocked my fucking thing off. Gonna need some zip ties. God damn it!
Zip tie?
I just need my fucking heated thing off the end. I broke it.
I got zip ties.
Heated grip.
Oh.
Maybe just one down the middle would be enough. It's wrecking shit on this quad.
Wait, wait.
Come on, you dirty little whore. A little four-wheel drive action going up here?
Yeah, a little bit.
Totally whacked my helmet on that one. I should probably get out of the road here.
This looks cool in here.
Yeah, this is
I like trails like this.
It's nice with all the snow on it.
Yeah. Wow.
Got a sun poking through now.
Very picturesque. Quadding in a winter wonderland. What happened?
Snagged a tree.
Oh, really?
Not me. Couple chunks broken off. Hey, hooked on a chainsaw or something.
Well, some chainsaw forest comes over.
Oh, shit. Spot?
Yep.
Sweet. Tube steak. Whoa, 3 wheels, Dave.
Well, we just finished a lunch break. Had some smokies on the fire. Back to the trails. Rock and roll. Getting pretty dark out already. It's only about 3:30 maybe.
Did I just see a deer run across here?
Lots of tracks.
Get the deer, you can cook it up in the oven there.
Oh, man, taking names, that's for sure.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
I like it. That deer was from me and Timber Lake. Really? Was he taking smoke like Timber is? Well, Tim's got a bigger horn than we do.
Oh, my battery's dying.
On your communicator?
Mine just beeped said I got a low battery. I don't think I like the cold. Yeah, he was hauling ass.
Pretty good yet.
Yeah.
Whoa.
My camera recording or no? No. What a piece of shit.
Ride with you and the boys. Tamarack electronic failures today. Dead batteries and stuff on the cameras, communicators. But all in all, it was a lot of fun. Nice weather. Good company. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button to catch more of our videos. Have a good one.